Imagine walking into your office tomorrow morning and finding a robot that not only knows your name, but remembers exactly how you like your coffee prepared and has already organized your schedule for the day. This isn't science fiction anymore. Nvidia just shocked the entire tech world by announcing the most intelligent AI robot ever created, and it's about to change everything we thought we knew about artificial intelligence and automation. The technology giant that once quietly supplied computer chips to other companies has just declared war on the entire robotics industry. While everyone was busy watching Tesla's Optimus stumble through basic tasks and Chinese manufacturers rushed to mass-produce simple humanoids, Nvidia was secretly developing something completely different. Something that doesn't just follow commands, but actually thinks, learns, and adapts like a human being. What makes this announcement so revolutionary isn't just another walking robot. It's the fact that Nvidia has created the world's first truly universal AI platform that can be instantly deployed into any robotic body and immediately understand its environment, learn new skills, and perform complex tasks without any programming whatsoever. Think about that for a moment. A single AI system that can control a factory robot in the morning, assist a surgeon in the afternoon, and help an elderly person at home in the evening. The secret behind this breakthrough lies in Nvidia's massive advantage that no other company possesses. While competitors focus on building better mechanical bodies, Nvidia spent years perfecting the brain. They've combined their most powerful AI chips with advanced neural networks that can process visual information, understand natural language, and make decisions in real time. But here's the game changer. This AI doesn't just execute pre-programmed instructions. It actually understands context and can figure out solutions to problems it has never encountered before. Picture this scenario. You place this robot in a completely new warehouse it has never seen before. Within minutes, it maps the entire space, identifies all the inventory, understands the workflow, and begins optimizing operations. It doesn't need weeks of training or thousands of lines of code. It simply observes, learns, and adapts. This is exactly what Nvidia has achieved, and it's terrifying competitors around the world. The timing of this announcement couldn't be more strategic. Recent industry reports show that companies are desperately searching for solutions to labor shortages and rising operational costs. Traditional industrial robots require extensive setup, constant maintenance, and can only perform very specific tasks. But Nvidia's AI robot changes all of that. It's designed to be plug-and-play intelligent automation that can handle multiple roles simultaneously. What's even more impressive is how this technology integrates with Nvidia's existing ecosystem. The same AI models powering autonomous vehicles and data centers can now control physical robots. This means instant access to cutting-edge computer vision, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. No other company has this kind of integrated technology stack, giving Nvidia an almost insurmountable competitive advantage. The implications for different industries are staggering. In manufacturing, these robots could revolutionize production lines by handling complex assembly tasks that currently require skilled human workers. In healthcare, they could assist with patient care, medication management, and even complex surgical procedures. In logistics, they could transform warehouses into fully automated operations that never stop working. But perhaps the most shocking aspect of Nvidia's announcement is the timeline. Industry insiders suggest that commercial deployment could begin within the next 18 months. This isn't some distant future. Technology that might arrive in 5 or 10 years. This is happening right now, and companies that don't prepare for this shift risk being left behind completely. The economic impact of this development cannot be overstated. Goldman Sachs recently estimated that the humanoid robot market could reach $300 billion within the next decade, but that was before Nvidia entered the picture with genuinely intelligent automation. With this level of AI capability, the market could explode to over $1 trillion as robots become viable replacements for human workers across virtually every industry. What sets Nvidia's approach apart from competitors like Tesla Optimus is the focus on intelligence over mechanics. While other companies obsess over making robots that look human, Nvidia concentrated on making robots that think like humans. The result is a system that can inhabit any robotic body and immediately maximize its potential. This flexibility means rapid deployment across different applications without costly redesigns or lengthy reprogramming. The reaction from other technology giants has been swift and telling. Several major robotics companies have reportedly accelerated their development timelines and increased research budgets dramatically. Some industry experts predict this announcement will trigger the same kind of innovation race we saw after ChatGPT launched, but with even higher stakes because physical automation affects every aspect of the economy. For business leaders, the message is clear. The companies that embrace this technology first will gain massive competitive advantages in efficiency, cost reduction, and operational capability. Those that wait or ignore this development risk becoming obsolete as their competitors deploy intelligent automation at scale. The technical specifications that have been leaked suggest processing capabilities that exceed human cognitive performance in many areas. Advanced machine learning algorithms allow continuous improvement without human intervention. Multimodal AI integration enables simultaneous processing of visual, audio, and sensor data. Real-time decision-making capabilities capabilities handle complex scenarios instantly. Perhaps most importantly, Nvidia's robot represents a fundamental shift in how we think about artificial intelligence. This isn't just software running on computers anymore. This is AI that can physically interact with and manipulate the real world. The boundaries between digital and physical intelligence are disappearing, creating possibilities we're only beginning to understand. The safety and reliability standards Nvidia has implemented address many concerns about deploying AI in physical environments. Multiple redundancy systems prevent failures. Continuous monitoring ensures optimal performance. Remote oversight capabilities allow human intervention when necessary. These features make industrial deployment feasible while maintaining safety standards. As we stand on the brink of this robotic revolution, one thing becomes crystal clear. Nvidia isn't just releasing another product. They're reshaping the fundamental relationship between humans and machines. The age of truly intelligent automation has arrived, and it's going to transform our world faster than most people realize. The question isn't whether this technology will succeed. The question is how quickly you'll adapt to a world where intelligent robots work alongside humans in every industry, performing tasks we never thought machines could handle. Nvidia has just fired the first shot in the battle for the future of work, and the implications will ripple through society for decades to come. Don't miss our other fascinating videos exploring the cutting-edge world of AI robotics and how these breakthrough technologies are revolutionizing industries worldwide. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the robotic revolution that's transforming our future.